Are you excited about your wedding and are all set to look the best on your wedding day? There are plenty of ways you can prepare your hair to look its best on your wedding day. But how do you plan to go about it? Rush to the nearest beauty parlor and have your hair stylized with expensive products? Well, do that, and you will only be flushing your hair with harmful chemicals. The best way is to use simple DIY steps to take care of your hair. Want to know how to take care of your hair before marriage that can make you look like the most beautiful bride? Then relax and watch the following tips. 1. Castor oil massage warm-up. Massage hair with castor oil and add a few drops of almond oil. Use this blend to massage your hair and scalp a few times each week. After regular shampooing, preferably using a natural, sulfate-free shampoo, rinse your hair with fresh drinking water to which you have added a few drops of honey. 2. Make your own conditioner. Use 1 or 2 eggs plus few drops of honey plus 2 tablespoons olive oil. Apply the mixture to the scalp and wash off with cold water. Hot water will cook the egg, and a mild shampoo. Alternatively, use 1 or 2 eggs plus brandy or beer. Beat the mixture well. Apply to scalp and rinse off after an hour. This will make your hair shiny and also stimulate hair growth. 3. Hydrate. As with your skin, your hair will benefit from you being well hydrated. Aim to drink about 8 cups of water per day. This will help strengthen your hair and encourage it to grow faster and healthier. 4. Reduce shampooing. For those brides-to-be who dye their hair, the easiest way to safeguard your color is to reduce the number of times you wash it. Too much shampooing will fade and lift your color. In the weeks leading up to the wedding, shampoo a maximum of 3 times a week. 6. Get a lot of omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are great for the health of your hair. You can get a big hit of these oils from eating salmon, which is also rich in protein. If you're not a salmon fan, you can take omega-3 supplements instead. Start weeks in advance to see the results in the form of stronger strands, with less damage and breakage. 7. Avoid heat. Blow drying and heat styling aren't good for our locks, so try to ease off in the weeks leading up to your wedding. Where possible, let your hair dry naturally and avoid using straighteners or tongs so that you can give your tresses a rest. Also avoid wrapping your hair in a towel or rubbing it dry, to minimize breakage and frizzing. 8. Massage. It's not just your body that benefits from a massage, your hair and scalp do too. Schedule a scalp massage into your pre-wedding beauty regime, about a month before the big day. It will help to stimulate your hair follicles and relax you in the process. 9. Oil up. If you're wondering how to make your hair soft before the wedding, then the answer lies in hair oils. Apply a few drops every day to keep your hair nourished between washes. When it comes to natural moisturizing oils, you can choose between coconut oil, aloe vera, argan and avocado, jojoba, and olive oil. Now that you know simple steps to perfect hair for wedding bride, go ahead and be the most beautiful bride you can be. No amount of makeup or hair care can replace the inner glow that comes from being happy. Look dazzling on your wedding day. And have a great married life. Best of luck. If you know any other simple hacks to look amazing on your wedding day, please share it in the comments section down below. Make sure to subscribe, like or share this video with your friends to inform them as well. Please also watch our other health videos to help this channel grow and reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching The Health Room.